After visiting the vibrant Bugolobi Trading Center, I decided to continue my journey and explore another interesting part of this neighborhood, the famous Bugolobi Flats. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you around Bugolobi Flats. So come walk with me as I show you around these flats. They do have a history and I'm about to tell you that, okay? So keep watching. Bugolobi is one of Kampala's well-established residential areas, known for its organized layout, peaceful environment, and mix of modern and classic architecture. The Bugolobi Flats are part of the area's development story, reflecting the growth of planned urban housing in Kampala. These flats were developed during a period when the city was expanding and there was a growing need for structured accommodation for professionals, families, and residents who wanted to live closer to the city while enjoying a quieter environment. Over the years, Bugolobi has transformed into one of Kampala's most sought-after neighborhoods. The flats here have witnessed generations of residents, changes in lifestyle, and the continued growth of the surrounding area. Today, they remain a notable feature of Bugolobi with their unique design and community feel. Pam, pam, pam. Beyond just buildings, these flats represent a piece of Kampala's urban history, a reminder of how the city has evolved over time. So stay with me as I take you around Bugolobi Flats, show you the surroundings, and give you a closer look at what this place is all about. Now this is the basketball court, but I don't know if it's still active. I don't know if it's still being used, but you know, kids here are supposed to be playing basketball from here. Then the other side, you know, where I'm pointing to, that's the playground as well. You know, if you have kids, they can go and swing from there. Okay, yep, that's Bugolobi Flats for you. Okay, yep, it's a beautiful place, to be honest, but it's quite big. You have to walk and walk and walk. I'm really feeling tired already, but I have to show you around till the end. Okay, this block here is block C. Okay, these flats have, you know, different block numbers. Block C, block 13, all that kind of stuff. Now this is flat 13, block C. The other one is flat 12, block B. Yep. Now the other one, the first one, that side from up, that's block A. Okay, and it's block, it's kind of confusing, but now here, this one, block 15. Yep, that's Bugolobi Flats for you guys. Yep. And this road here is under construction. You're working on it. It's being maintained. Okay, yep, that's the block I'm from telling you. That's block 12. No, that's flat 12, and you know, block B. It's kind of confusing how they named them, but just know it's a quiet place. Security is tight. Yep, and you see workers are busy, you know, doing what they're supposed to do. So this road I'm walking on is just outside the flats, and the flats continue up to where I'm heading to. Yep. So I'm still showing you around. They are divided. They do have like 4 gates, all separate, and you know, they do have different prices. So they continue up to this side where I'm heading to. You see? Yep. Those are all Bugolobi Flats. So I had to move out and, you know, walk using it and follow the main road outside to, you know, be able to, you know, get to view the other blocks from this side. Okay? Yep. So as I speak, I'm outside, and this place looks, you know, abandoned. I don't know. Look at the grass. I think it's a private property, but those are all flats. Bugolobi Flats. Okay. Yep. Now that's the gate, and they don't just allow anyone to access. Okay, these are private, you know, flats. They're different from the ones I showed you at first, so the cost differs. Okay, this place is more residential compared to where I first showed you. Okay, so that's why they are too strict. I'm really feeling tired. Wow. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour around Bugolobi Flats. Yep. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yep, I'll be glad if you do that, okay? Yep, it's good to support. Yep, that's a final snap of the flats. Ciao.